Hello, this is Dr. Bo Ellis, and I have here a Wave Pro. And as some of you may know, vibrational technology accelerates neuromuscular growth and development. Simply put, you'll get better results faster with any exercise that you do. It's great for rehab, but you can also use it for general exercise and even advanced exercises for muscle hypertrophy, larger muscles. I'm not going to go into that. That does require heavier lifting on the biplate. It's much more challenging than working out in a regular gym. So anyway, but I'm going to show you right now in this episode the beginner, intermediate, and advanced calf raises. Okay, I have the machine set for one set of 30 seconds. It is on low amplitude and the frequency of vibration is 35 hertz. Okay, the basic things to remember with the machine is with your basic exercises, you want to make sure you have good technique. Make sure you always have good technique. If you can't do good technique, then you need to use less weight or do an easier exercise. All right, so this is the beginner one. You can get your feet shoulder width apart. You're going to be a comfortable distance away from the bar. You can hold on to it with your hands, especially if you've never used one before. Your knees do not go past your toes. Okay, so make sure you're standing close enough to the arm bar, and to make sure there's a little bit of bend in your knees, your hips, okay, all the way up. So I'm going to get this started, and I'm going to do a calf raise. I'm only going to go about halfway up. This is a beginner one. It's just to get you started, okay? One set. Here we go. You want to do it nice and smooth. Nice, smooth, controlled movements. Couple more seconds. All right. Now, you don't have to worry about breathing too much because it's an easy exercise. If you obviously remember to breathe, that's very important. You should breathe in through your nose if you can and out through your mouth. Breathe deeply and relaxed. If you need to get more air quicker, then maybe this is a too difficult exercise for you, or maybe you're sprinting or something, and that's fine as well, and you need the extra oxygen, then you can just breathe in through your mouth quicker. But these, you shouldn't have to worry about that. You should be able to focus on your breathing and good technique. So here we go. Here's an intermediate calf raise. And basically what we're going to do with this is we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to go all the way up onto the toes. Okay? Here we go. Same thing, one set, 30 seconds at 35 hertz, low amplitude. It's okay if you straighten your knee out a little bit, but if you're beginning with this, you really don't want to try that, especially if you have any knee problems. If you're rehabbing your knee, make sure it's bent. If you're not rehabbing your knee, then you can straighten it out. You'll change the angle for the knee joint, and of course the muscles will grow a little bit differently. All right, here we go. This is the last one. This is a more advanced one. This is a 1 foot calf raise. And I'm just going to do one side for demonstration. I can always do the other side on my own. So, one set, 30 seconds, 35 hertz, low amplitude. Here we go. All the way up, heel all the way down, nice and smooth. And you're just using the bar for balance. Vibration makes exercising much more difficult. You don't have to hold on to the bar if you want to advance a little bit further. Let go a little bit. Try not to put the knee in front of your toes. So if you want to do hands-free, you can do that too. All right, and that'll make it even more challenging. And the more challenging it is, the more growth and development you'll get. All right, those are some simple exercises for increasing your strength and nerve growth, muscle growth pretty quickly. Thank you for watching. I have a series of these, so feel free to watch some more. You have a good day. Bye.